How to fix support.apple.com/Mac/startup. First, turn off your Mac. Hold the power button for 10 seconds until it turns off. Once your Mac is turned off successfully, to enter macOS recovery if you have a Windows keyboard or a Mac keyboard, press the following combinations: Windows, Windows plus R, Mac, Command plus R. To do this, I have a Windows keyboard, so I will press the following combination: Windows plus R. Wait until you see a spinning globe. Once you see it, connect to Wi-Fi using the Choose Network button. Or if you have Ethernet, plug in your Ethernet adapter. I am not showing the password. Once you type the password of your Wi-Fi network, select Continue. Now it will start macOS recovery. Please wait, this might take a while, so I will wait till it's done. Wait until you see the language screen. Once you see the language screen, select the language and then click on Continue. You will see the macOS Utilities screen appear. This means you successfully started up using macOS recovery. Click on Reinstall macOS. Click on Continue. Click on Continue again. These are just the license and agreements. Just click on Agree. Now select the drive you want to install macOS on. Now it will begin installing macOS. This will take up to an hour. I will wait until it's done. Note, your iMac will restart several times, and once that is complete, you will see this pop-up. Once this pop-up appears, select the country. Once you have done that, select Continue. Click on Continue again. Click on Continue. If you want to do this, select from a Mac or a Windows PC. Or if you don't want to do this, click Not Now. If you want to set up an Apple ID, enter email and password. Or if you don't want to set up an Apple ID now, click Set Up Later. It will come up to the license and agreement. If you want to agree to this, click Agree. Here it will ask you to create an account. If you want to create an account, enter your account details. Follow on-screen steps to complete setting up macOS.